Hello, this is Sean Pack. I'm an instructor of Math 132. So this is just a quick tour guide for this course. So I will explain what you have to do for this course. So first of all, log into Moodle, and then I will email you the enrollment key. So once you log into Moodle and select our course. So for example, Math 132, section number, so ON01, ON02, the section number is different from each semester. This depends on your course. So once you log into this course, you need to enter your enrollment key. So I will email you the enrollment key. So once you enter the enrollment key, then you can see this screen, these pages. So first of all, the introduction page will display like this, and there are some categories like this: lecture, videos, online quizzes, test samples, and then back quizzes, homework, tests. So for each category, I will explain these informations. So first, every semester, once the semester started, you must complete this. The lockdown browser. Okay, that one is let me change this one. Okay, lockdown browser feature check for your PC and laptop. And then also you gotta do this acknowledgement of syllabus and release form. Okay, these two files are here in the bottom of this page. Okay, scroll down all the way down. So here is the lockdown browser feature check. So when you take a test or final exam, we will lock the browser so that you don't browse other internet or you don't refer to anything. So your PC must compatible with this lockdown browser feature. So click this, and then it will ask you to okay, I think I need to change the mode to student. I will change this to a student mode, switch to student. Okay, you must complete this. So let me go back to the introduction page again. Introduction page. So scroll down, and then click this, and then follow the instruction. Okay, download. I think something is not right. Okay, let me change this. Let me figure this out. So once you click this, then it will ask you to download this app and then do all the things and then answer the questions. So if your PC is not compatible with this lockdown browser, then you should figure out how to find your PC and laptop that's compatible to this one. Always. If you cannot find, then you cannot take the test because lockdown browser is required. So your PC or laptop has to be compatible. So mostly it's compatible, mostly. So try this one. And then also please fill out this questionnaire, acknowledgement of syllabus and the release form. So click and then answer the questions. So this too is very important. And then I will give you an extra 5 points for this lockdown browser. So you have to check this. So I will give you an extra credit for this. And then once you're done this acknowledgement, also I will give you a 5 extra points. Okay, and then here's the syllabus. So let me open this syllabus. So the syllabus shows very brief information. All right, and then our textbook. This is the ISBN, the textbook numbers. So that you can. I recommend to purchase an ebook because ebook is cheaper, and then you can access right away once you pay for this ebook. So you can get ebook from internet, or you can go to NMC bookstore to get an ebook, or you can get a hard copy. Doesn't matter. All right. So this introduction page. Okay. Also, there is a website, my personal website. This is the link to my personal website, seanpack.000webhost.app. So click this. This one has course names here. So this is Math 132. So click Math 132. And this one shows all the information. So it has a syllabus and the lecture slides and the homework, the solutions to the homework, and then video for the homework, and a video for the lectures. It has everything. So YouTube videos for each section in the textbook. So you can watch the video. For example, just click this and watch the video. Okay. Okay, this is chapter 6. The section is 6.1. This is about rational expression. So just watch the video, or you can download the notes while I'm making a video. So these are the notes when I make the video clips. So you may download these notes, and then you can study for the sections that you need to complete. All right, so let me scroll down. So first of all, watch the video, or you can download the notes for the videos. Okay, and then let me scroll it down a little bit. So this is the lecture schedule. The lecture schedule is, there are 16 weeks plus final week. 16 weeks, and then 17th is the final exam week. So we have a 16-week period. So in week 1, so these are the dates, and then I wrote the sections that you need to study. So week 1 is just an orientation and review, chapter 1. Okay, we actually don't review chapter 1, but I will give you a chance for 1 week to review chapter 1. And then Saturday, mostly the homework is due on Saturday. So the lockdown browser check and the acknowledgement release form should be due this Saturday. Okay, for the week 2, I posted some section numbers. Chapter 2.1. So it is better to study chapter 2.1 on Monday, and Wednesday study chapter 2.2, Friday chapter 2.3. So mostly 3 sections should be covered every day. You should study 3 sections every day. And then the homework, okay, OQ means online quiz. Okay, online quiz, okay, actually once you finish each section, you can finish your online quiz, but all this together will be due on Saturday. So 2.1 to 3. So all the sections that should be covered, should be covered in that week will be due on Saturday, like this. Okay, week 3, for example, chapter 2.4 and 5 should be completed, so that the online quizzes for this is due on this week, Saturday. Okay, once you complete each chapter, okay, chapter 2 is completed using for these 2 weeks. So homework and back quiz. Okay, homework and back quiz are due once each chapter is completed. So these are due on Saturday as well. So back quiz is the quiz for the chapter, and the homework is the written homework for each chapter. So for the homework, let's see the syllabus. Okay, scroll down the syllabus. For the homework, here's the lecture schedule, same as the one in the. Okay, this lecture schedule is same as in the in Moodle, and the homework is here. Okay, for each chapter, okay, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. For each chapter, there are sections, and for each section, you gotta do the problem numbers that is indicated in this column. And then, okay, you don't have to do all the numbers, 1 to 49. You don't have to do all the numbers. What you have to do is do every other odd. Okay? Every other odd numbers, which means starting from number 1, and then skip number 3. So start from 1, skip 3, and then do 5, and skip 7, and do 9, skip 10. Something like this. So every other odd numbers, every other odd numbers. So unless it's specified like this. Okay, so in this section 3.7, you gotta do all the odd numbers. It says 1 to 31, so this is, you don't do every other number. Since it says all odd numbers, so you have to complete all the odd numbers for this section. So if this is not indicated, then what you have to do is do every other odd numbers. Okay, so make sure you complete all the homework. So for example, chapter 2, there are 71 problems to complete. So once you are done, then upload your homework on Moodle. Okay, then where do you upload your homework? So go to the homework category here. Homework category. Okay, so these are the problem numbers. This table is same as the one in the homework table. Okay, so scroll down all the way down. Okay, so here is chapter 2 homework. So upload the homework. Here, click this, and then upload your file here, and then submit. Okay, that's how you do the upload homework. So when you upload the homework, okay, please, okay, here it is. Okay, take a picture using cam scanner. Okay, cam scanner web is useful. When you take a picture, this is scanner, so the file size will be very small. If you just take a picture, then the file size is really large. So it takes time when you upload the file, and even it takes time for me to download the file. So using your smartphone, install cam scanner. It's easy to use. It's very easy to use. So take the pictures and then save in a PDF file. A PDF. Save your scanned pictures in PDF. So you can make one PDF file. All right. So this is how you can upload your homework. Okay, for the online quiz, I forgot to mention the online quiz. So how do you do the online quiz? Go to the online quiz category. Here's the online quizzes category. And then if you see this, okay, for each section, there's an online quiz for each section, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So once you complete 2.1, you can take the quiz. Once you complete 2.2, you can take the quiz, and so on. Or you can take all of this on Saturday as well, because here it is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. They are due on Saturday. So you can complete this on Saturday, or you can complete each section as you completing the study for each section. Okay, that's how you do online quiz. How about the bear quiz? How do we complete the bear quiz? Same thing. Go to the bear quiz category. The bear quiz it should be completed for each chapter. So once you complete all the sections in each chapter, you can do the bear quiz. So here are the bear quizzes, chapter 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then this green button shows the deadline. So the homework, the bear quiz for section chapter 2 is due September 5th. and this date should match with the lecture table. September, where's the chapter 2 here? September 5th, right? September 5th. So online quiz, back quiz, homework, they are due on Saturday. Here's the date for the due dates. Okay, and then what happens if you miss the due date? Then you get 0 points because there are plenty time to complete the homework, quiz, back quiz, and online quizzes. So if you miss the deadline, then there will be no makeup will be given. So make sure to complete this by the due date. All right, how about, okay, let me explain. Here is what a test sample. Okay, when do we have a test? Okay, the test will be on Sunday. You can take any time on Sunday. Okay, the test period is 1 hour with one attempt. So on Saturday, the test will be available in the morning on Saturday, and then it will end 11:59 p.m. So you can start anytime on Sunday, and you have 1 hour. Okay, so where do you take the test? Okay, same thing. Go to the test category, and then there are tests here. So you can click the test. I should post the date here. I should post the due date. So I will update this one anyway because we are far away from the test yet. So I will update this and let you know when the test comes. So don't worry about this. Okay, and then how about what is test sample? Okay, go to the introduction. Then what is the test samples? Okay, test sample is an extra credit. What you have to do is test samples are the test sample is due right before the test. So since our test is on Sunday, the test samples will be due on Saturday. Then where do we complete this test sample? So go to the test samples. You can download, okay, for example, for the test 1 and 2, you can download. So this is a previous test. So the test will be similar but not exactly the same. So try solving this. Okay, solve this. I also included the answers for each question. So here's the answer, question and answers. What you have to do is solve it and show your work. Show your work and answer. And then what do? Screen cap. You can take a picture using cam scanner and then upload it. Okay, you must show your work. If you just write the answer, then you will get 0 points. So for each question, you have to show the work so that you get the answer. Okay, always, you don't have to use this test paper. Just use a blank scratch paper, and then solve it. Show your work, and then take a picture using cam scanner application. So here, so you can upload your test samples homework, and here is the due date. The green button shows the due date. Test for chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. All right, and then I also included the solutions for the description of each test samples. Okay, so for each test, if you don't know how to get the answer, you don't know how, then refer to these solutions. Okay, don't copy for your homework. Understand and do it on your own. Okay, and then also I included video explaining the solutions. So if you don't get it, watch the video. This may help. All right, so this is how the test samples should be uploaded. And then what else? Okay, the test sample is extra points. Okay, this is extra points, extra credit, extra points. Even the back quizzes is extra points. Okay, so there are so many extra points. And then there is also a homework. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me open the syllabus. Syllabus. Where's my syllabus? Okay. Okay, from this syllabus, there is the final exam review. Okay, review sample. Here's a review homework. Okay, review homework. Where's the review homework? I should have this one. Okay, here's the review homework. This was hidden, huh? Hidden. Okay, review sample. Okay, this review sample is available right now, right away. It's available in the beginning of the course. So download this review file, and there are about 90 questions. About 90 questions. So what you have to do is, starting from the beginning of the semester, try to solve questions that that is covered in each week, and then answer the questions, and circle the answer. Answer the questions, and then what you have to do is upload the file. You don't have to upload. I don't think I made it. Okay, I will put in the homework category. Here, it's already ready. So scroll it all the way down, and then what you have to do is check the answer, just like taking a quiz or test. When you take a quiz, there are multiple choice. So click this, and then circle, and then check the answer for each question. So if the answer for question 1 is B, then check the answer. Question number 2, the answer is C. Just check the answer. Okay, check the answer, and then finally submit. Okay, finish attempt and then submit. So this review example will be very helpful for your final exam. Okay, for your final exam. Alright, so that is 26 points. So I think I explained most of them. Okay, so first of all, log in tomorrow and complete the back quiz, online quiz, homeworks, upload your homework. And test is on Sunday, and homework is due on Saturday, Saturday midnight. And extra points, get test samples for each test, 5 extra points each, and 42 back quizzes, so that is 42 points, 42 extra points. And then, okay, here, I put the last 2 sections of online quiz as an extra point. Okay, the last 2 sections of the online quiz as an extra point. Alright, so there's no makeup for missing quiz or missing anything. So if you want to take a further test, okay, if you have a excusable reason for the makeup, then I can give you a makeup test only. So other than that, there's no makeups. So for your test, okay, all right, and then here is the grading scale. Test is altogether 400 points. Homework for chapters is 84 points. This is final exam review homework. And online quiz is 240. Final exam is 250. Final exam is 250 and online quiz is 240. Altogether, the total point will be 1,000 points. So if you get, so this is the percentage. In the percentage, you have to get 70%. Get 70% to pass this course. 70%. So here's the grading scale. So your score is 700 to 799, which is 70 to 79%. Then your grade is C. and then 80 to 89% is B, and 90% above is A. If you get a D, then this is a failing grade as well, because this is a core course. Core course means you have to get at least C or better. So if you get a D, then you have to retake the course. So always make sure your percentage total grade is 70% or more, or the overall point should be 700 or more. Okay. All right. So on my website there are a bunch of information. So please check each one of this, and if it is helpful, then utilize this information. Okay. I think I explained most of this one. So if you have any questions, please let me know. So you can call me anytime. If I don't receive it, then please text a message. Text me so that I can call you later, or I can see, I can reply to you. So you can email me or you can call me anytime. Doesn't matter. So whenever you have questions, some students email me, so I reply email. So email is better because I can read email at any time also. So email me. I prefer email. All right. So I'm done explaining the course. So make sure to complete the online quiz, test samples, backwards, homework, tests. So always check the lecture schedule. We will stick with this lecture schedule. Make sure to complete all the homework and then quizzes and the tests. All right. Okay, so goodbye. See you later.